Is we in there? We in there. We in there. I don't know. You know what? As soon as I got over here, I thought to freaking put on the link check shirt. I don't know why. Give me a moment. I'll be right back, okay? Now I'm using my brain, baby. I'm using my brain. The Band-Aid. This rubber band. Man, goodness gracious. Well, anywho, last month I was seeing how long my hair was. Now, my friend blow dried my hair. Okay, just putting the stupid ponytail. All right. Is we in there? We in there. We in there. I don't know. Maybe it was like a piece from the top. No? Okay. I don't know. Give me a second. Give me a second, people. I don't know. Okay. See, I do have a soul. I was like, oh shit, my hair gonna fall out. I ain't got no soul. Y'all find out my theories in life later. But I be like, people ain't got no soul, baby. Got a new cut. What it do, boo? What it do? That's, you know. Now, I said I was gonna grow that little piece out, and I was like, nah. Nonetheless, I digress. Maybe I'm bald-headed in the back, you know? I can't really see. Oh. I hope I'm in the camera. Ow! I hit my elbow. Okay. All right. I'm too old for this. All right, so after struggling for a little minute, I don't know. We just gonna say it's a 10 and a half, right? It did, like, when I stretched it out, it was like 11, but then I was just like, I'm really not sure, because like one part was longer than the other. So we just gonna say 10 and a half, which means back of my head really didn't grow. Okay. And what did I do with that bag? So this is the hair that came. I know y'all like, why you got that in the bag? Cause I was serious about growing out my hair, right? I need to know how much of my hair normally come out. Okay, so this is gonna be a little process. I probably won't even know until the summertime for real, of like my hair pattern and stuff. But this is the amount of hair that comes out when I washed it. Now, baby, this is the amount that came out like blow drying it, and this was just like detangling it. It was a lot in the brush, bruh. Whew. But I'm about to keep this blow dry for a little minute. Going to make me some hair oil. But before I go to bed, because clearly I gotta get ready for work, I'm gonna put this funky scarf on. I dropped my comb, but I plan on hitting up my edges with this little black beeswax, because I don't think I'm ever gonna use that again. And lastly but least, I'm gonna hit my ends up with this Supernova hair cream moisturizer that I got in my BoxyCharm, which, yeah, need to get my booty too bad. Welcome to the month of March. We about to yeah, I'm really excited about March. February ended off with a bang. Shout out to my cousin. I'm still trying to recover from that Patron. That is crazy. I mean, wow. Wow. Y'all be blessed. Don't be less. And I am about to go to bed. Okay? Toodle.